In this video, we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube, except I control the right side and my acquaintance controls the left side. For the sake of this video, my acquaintance is Moose Cuber. Okay, I've got it scrambled, ready, put your hands down, 3, 2, 1, and go. You take that side, rotate again, rotate. Let's do this, and then hold it. And then that, do L2. Yes, yeah. E2, and then, think that we can do this. Okay. We can do this. And then, let's see. You do this pair, so L, down, go down, yep, and then this, and then again, do the reverse, yep, and then that, U prime this way, yes, up on the left, and then go down. Shoot! Okay, I'm blind. That's, okay, lift it up, yep, across, down, do F.
What's F?
Here, I'll just do this.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Next, let's do this, and then up on left, down on left, up, smooth as it gets, up left, down, up left, down, okay. Okay, this, let's do this, and then, yep, okay, and then that, and then undo this one, and then, oh, I might actually be able to get a skip here, this, and then do L prime, yep, down, and then undo, no,
Oh.
We got a PLS skip, hit the timer, okay, wow, we actually got, what did you do? PLS skip, hit the timer. We got a PLL skip on that. Here's the scramble. There's a scramble. I can write it bigger later. But we actually got a PLL skip on that. That was pretty cool. Okay. So our time was 2 minutes and... What even is that?
Is that 5 seconds? That's 5 seconds, right?
2 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, we're gonna try to beat that next time. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, go down left, down front. Yep. No. I again. Okay, and then hold it. And then let's do this, that, and then do the D prime.
I don't know what a D prime is.
D, okay.
Okay.
And then let's do this. Yep. And then that, and then that. Let's do this. Do L. Yes. And then down.
Okay.
Down. Okay, up, whatever. Up.
It's down
Okay.
and up is down and up to me.
Okay. Rotate.
Rotate.
Oh, that was nice. This. You're gonna hold that side. Hold only this layer. Hold only this layer. What don't you get? Okay,
Oh.
thank you.
Both.
And then hold both layers now. And then let go. No, there we go. And then oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Move L down. Hold it. Hold one layer. Thank you. Okay. And then this, and then L up. Yeah. And then there we go. Awesome. Okay. This. That worked. Okay. Let's do this, Rotate, rotate.
Oh.
Yep. There. And then, oh, U-perm. Rotate, okay, no, let's rotate. Again.
Okay.
Okay. U prime. Yep.
This one?
Yep. And then here, U prime. Okay.
We got worse.
That was worse. We did worse. 2 minutes, 16 seconds, and that. Okay. Okay, I think our goal is gonna be to try and beat 2 minutes. Alright. Ready? And go. This, and then let's do D2. Stop. Go back. What are you doing? Okay. Let go. D2, and then hold on to both layers. 2 layers. 1 layer. L2. Never mind. L2 again. L2. Why do you regrip? Okay. Let's do L. Yes, and then L2. L. Yep. And then we do this, and then F prime. U prime. F. Yep. Okay. And L prime. That works too, okay. L prime. Yep. L.
I don't know.
No? L. Yep. Okay. And then L prime. Yes. Let's rotate. L prime. Oh, dang it, you got it right. L. And then L. Yep. And then L prime. L prime. Hold 2 layers. Sweet. Rotate. I think I got it from here. Hold 2 layers. Okay. Okay. And then what is this? J perm. Okay. J perm.
Okay,
Finish strong.
Okay.
F prime. Yep. Hold. U prime.
I don't know what that means.
U prime. Okay. What did you do? What have you done? Put it down. Oh my god. You screwed up a J perm.
Sorry.
Okay. 206. Our first time was actually the best. Somehow. Okay. Great. Well,